So as we begin today, I have cardboard, thin cardboard to use as my backing. So I'll be adhering things just onto this, and that will be the platform for the collage. So I think today I'm just going to go for sort of a travel map theme, because I have a lot of maps and stuff to use. And again, there are no rules with this. Whatever you have to use, you can, or you can search out whatever kind of crazy ideas you have. So I'm just going to go through this and flip through and see what catches my eye, whatever catches your eye, and whatever you think might look good. Here's a nice little pull-out map, actually. I think I might use this to begin. And again, you don't have to have everything pre-selected. You can kind of just go as you like. You can pre-select things if you want and have it laid out before you adhere it. But I'm using scissors here. I'm just going to cut out this map as straight as I can. And again, there are no rules. I like things to be in straight lines. A lot of times it have corners and edges and 90-degree angles, but feel free to get crazy and creative. And I'm just going along the edge of the map here. I like it because it just has a nice 90-degree angle. I'm going to use this as a corner. As I cut here, I'm thinking in my head that this is going to go in the bottom right corner. And I like to make my collages with no space in between each piece, so I overlap them sometimes, or I make them a butt right next to them. But you can do whatever you like. Again, I usually save the scraps and put it back just in case you need it later. And here's what I've cut out, and it's probably going to go here. I'm going to cut out and get all my stuff assembled, and then put it down and glue it down or tape it down all together. So